Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. Let's be honest. The thing about buying lotions online is that you can't smell it, and that can be scary. And that was actually my concern. But let me tell you, I was concerned for nothing. This soap and Glory Body Butter smells so good. To me, it smells like a warm coconut cupcake that just came out the oven. That's the best way I could describe it. It smells great, but it also works really well. It has a nice thick consistency, but it's also very easy to blend, and it does a great job at keeping me moisturized. And something I was pleasantly surprised by, it has shimmers in it. Yes, you heard me correctly, shimmers, which I use to my advantage. Depending on my outfit, I put it on my collarbone or on my chest or on my shoulders for that extra va-va-voom, if you will. And I've received so many compliments on how I look. Do you see the glow this lotion is giving me? Not many other lotions are able to do that, and for that reason, this will be a staple in my routine. That's my point of view.